Good morning, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will be swapping out the side marker bulbs for some LED ones. So hopefully it'll be a simple, just plug and play. I'm pretty sure it will, but you always know there's something always comes up. So let's get started with the video. So yes, it's raining, and I want to point out something really quick. This is the e34, right? And we're gonna go ahead and change out the light bulbs on the directional lights. This is filming like this is because I don't want to get anything else. You guys will understand later by what I mean. So yeah, here is the e34, and now mine on this side doesn't have the plastic screws. On that side it does. Now it is raining, so I'm gonna try to do this quick and fast. That way we can we can get this done. So all you have to do is open this up, and then back here you can see what I need to do is it sucks. If you have big hands, it's gonna be difficult for you to do this. So once it's out, and I'm gonna show you how to pinch what you're supposed to pinch. So let me go ahead and show you guys right now. Okay, so this one didn't have a bulb, and I'm assuming the other one's not gonna have a bulb as well, but this is what I'm talking about. You see this? You push these two like that, and then it pulls right off. So, and if you can see this this has, and these are the bulbs that I'm going to be using. So it has this type of bottom, and I can't recall what this type of bulb is, but I'll put it on the description down below. But yeah, I got these. I had these already actually, which was kind of weird. I bought it by mistake, and they can be used for this, so that's pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and install them, and this, and let's push in and twist. So once you heard that click, push in, twist, and it should be on. So let's try it out. There you go. So it works. That's pretty cool. I'm very happy about that. And let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, there you go. You can use for like keys or whatever. That's the cool part about this. All right, so here we have you can see here. And same here, this is not gonna have one, and we're just gonna go ahead and one thing I do want to say, I think it looks kind of rigged here. I think that comes stock, but let's go ahead and put this in here. Same thing as that one over there. You just put your bulb in, twist to make sure it works before you put it in. Go ahead and check that out. We turn on the light, and there you have it. It's a lot brighter, a ton brighter. And I'll see if I have a pic of a before and after. But other than that, light looks good, looks great, and that's pretty much all. So if you all did like this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell buttons so you all don't miss a future upload. And with that being said, guys, we'll see you on the next one.